Meaning of enthusiasm.
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 Enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is a strong feeling of excitement, passion, or interest in something. It is a positive emotion that motivates individuals to pursue their goals with energy and enthusiasm. People who are enthusiastic often feel inspired and optimistic about what they are doing, which can lead to increased productivity and success. Enthusiasm is contagious and can create a positive atmosphere in both personal and professional settings. It is an important ingredient for achieving success and fulfillment in life, as it helps individuals maintain a positive outlook and stay focused on their goals.